make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everyone, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today. Today I'm coming at you with a LUSH video, and I'm basically going to be sharing with you all the pro sides to working for LUSH. Now, a couple weeks ago I did go through my kind of overall experience. I went on some pros and some cons and kind of put them together, but I did just want to focus one video on all of the good reasons to work for LUSH. So I have a list of things on my phone that I need to go through. I also may or may not have a giveaway, so please do stick around till the end of the video and I hope you guys enjoy. So the first reason why it's so good to work for LUSH is you actually get 50% off all of the products. Everything. And when I say everything, everything. Spa treatments, perfumes, face masks, anything they sell, you get that for half price, so it's a bonus. Reason number 2 is that not only do you get 50% off, but you also get a lot of free things. You don't get every single product, as I've mentioned in previous videos, but you do get a few really good things. So it is definitely a nice bonus to working there, is getting free products to try out, because obviously LUSH is expensive, and it is nice to get treated once in a while with free products. So in regards to that, for example, for Christmas you would get maybe a couple of the products, for Mother's Day you'd get maybe 1 or 2, and it kind of goes like that throughout the year for every release. So obviously you've got Easter, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day, did I say that already? So you've got all these kind of ranges coming out, so you are going to get quite a lot per year of free things. So reason number 3 is definitely a fun one, and that is that working for LUSH is fun. It is a fun job. You literally get paid to have fun at work, and I honestly couldn't recommend it enough. Obviously it's not for everyone, but if you're into LUSH a lot anyway and it's something you could see yourself doing as a career, it's a lovely job. It is really, really fun. Following on from that, reason number 4 is that you actually get to host birthday parties for people, and I love doing that so much. Me and Ben did them quite a lot and they were so fun. Usually we would get told maybe a few hours before, so we'd have to plan them all kind of in the daytime, but it was so fun to do. It was really great to sort of make somebody's birthday really special, and honestly loved it. So my next reason to work for LUSH is one that I definitely used to have in my store. I don't know whether you get them everywhere though, so don't yeah, I'm sorry if it's not like an all over thing, but for Christmas we used to have events at LUSH. It would be just for the staff and we would all get together and go through all the products, and it was so much fun. They would make little like demo tables with all the products and we could all smell them, and it was just really fun, and we'd go in our pyjamas as well, so, and there would be snacks. Win-win. My next pro to working for LUSH is that when the face masks go out of date, you guys get to take them home, so you don't have to actually pay for the fresh face masks. They basically keep them on the ice for a week, and when they don't sell, we take them off the ice and the staff members take them home. So yeah, it's definitely a pro. If you know anyone that works for LUSH, get them to pick you up some next time. Similarly to that one, if there are ever any damaged products, you also potentially might be able to get them home. Sometimes we would put them in a basket, and then if you do really well that day, they'll say you can pick something from the basket, and it could be anything. It could be a £50 bottle of perfume, a big bottle of shower gel that was limited edition a year ago. Like, it could be anything. So that was a really fun idea, and it really made you want to work hard and show that you're working hard, because then you got something, a little treat at the end of the day, which was really nice. My next pro to working for LUSH is that LUSH are obviously really high on environment and animal cruelty. So obviously everything's vegan, everything's cruelty free, everything is done in recyclable products like packaging. Even the signage in the store is recycled pots, and it's just it's amazing. Yeah, the baskets that you carry your shopping around in is made from black pots that have been recycled. Like, it's a really lovely place to work, and I think that it just makes you feel good on the inside knowing that you're doing something really good for the environment. So that is definitely another pro to working for LUSH. And my last pro for working for LUSH is that LUSH also work really closely with a lot of charities, and we did a lot of charity work when I was there for about 3 years. We did probably charity pot events maybe once every 3 weeks, if maybe more, and we basically sold the charity pots for a specific charity who were in the store that day, and we would donate all that money to them. So it was really lovely. It made you push to sell the charity pots as well. So if you're ever in LUSH, pick up a charity pot for £1, because it really goes a long way and it really helps the charities that we work with. So those are all of my pros for working for LUSH. Now obviously I could do a whole video on all the cons, but I did sort of touch on that in my previous videos, so I don't feel like I need to do that so much, but I did want to sort of touch on all of the really good things to working for Lush. And I've got a hair in my eye and it's been there for like hours now. It's just sort of chilling in my eyeball. So like I said, that is all my kind of pros for working for Lush. So now I'm going to go on to the last giveaway of my 4 weeks of Lush giveaways. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was so much fun. I'm so excited to pick the winners and kind of get all these products shipped out to you guys. But the last product you can win is the little Snow Fairy gift. I saved this one for last because Snow Fairy is very popular, so I thought I'd save this one for last. And you get the Snow Fairy shower gel, Snow Fairy shower gel, and the Snow Fairy bath bomb. And for this, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also leave me a comment down below of your favourite video that I have ever done. That's what I would like to know. Also make sure that you put your Instagram handle in the comment, and obviously this is international, so anyone can win. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you did enjoy. Obviously subscribe so you can be in the giveaway, and I shall see you very soon. Bye guys.